as a location of a place. Now, why do we need these locating a place, or why do we need to know the location of a place, etc.? Location is very, very important. Why? Because to know the exact place of a thing or an object or a person, okay, of a place like a village, town, city, state, country, okay, so continent at last, okay. So that's what location is very, very important. Now you are small kids, you are small children, so you may not be knowing, okay, exactly to locate a particular village, town, or okay, city or state, country, etc. and all. But in our surroundings, okay, so in our surroundings, so we learn to locate a places with the help of directions, okay, with the help of directions. So as you are small, okay, so we begin with our own home, okay, with our own house. So we have kept or we arrange different things at different places. Okay. So you also know where the different things or different objects are in your house. So it may be in the kitchen, or it may be in the study room, or it may be in the dining room, or it may be in the, okay, so veranda or whatever it may be. Suppose if your mother asks you to get anything, okay, to get a glass or plate or whatever it may be. So already because you know, so you will be able to go and get them. Okay. So suppose, so if your mother says, so look to your right or look to your left, okay, in your left side that is there, in your right side that is there. So it is down, it is up, okay. So it is behind you or it is in front of you, etc. and all. So you may not be, you will be knowing, okay, in your own languages, okay, in our own mother tongue, we will be knowing all these directions, okay. So in English also we call them, okay. So these are the directions. So with these directions, so we will be able to learn the main directions. There are 4 main directions, and also there are also, okay, other directions or directions, okay. So now locating a place. So already I have explained. Sir, already I have explained. So the importance of location. Okay, location. Why? Because it is helpful to us to know precise place of a thing or an object or a person or place or settlement or whatever it may be. Okay, so we will be able to know with the help of directions the exact place, okay, exact place of, okay, a thing or person or village or etc. Okay, so now there are some directions, okay. So what are some of the directions? Now all of you take the textbook, children. So today we'll be learning the lesson with the help of textbook. Okay, with the help of textbook we will be learning. All of you take the page 130. Page 130. Take your textbook, take the page 130. Okay. That much only it will come. We can't make it big, large. Okay. So now all of you take the page 130, children. So here, beginning of the lesson you have got. Look at the picture given below and complete the sentences. Now we are not going to complete the sentences, but we are going to learn some of the directions which are very, very simple ones. Okay, which are very, very simple ones. Now you find here one boy is having 2 things in his hand. Okay, so 2 things in his hand. Now you need to know in which hand what he is having. So which is the object he is having in which hand? Okay. So two objects you find. What are those two objects? One is balloon and other one is, yes children, flower. Okay. So now you need to know. So here they have given two directions, a left, a right. Okay. So now how do you know which is a left, which is your left hand, which is your right hand, children? Yes. How do you know? Now look at me. From your side, okay, from your side you open, okay, from your side you open your hand, okay. So from your side, so there is one hand, so from here to here, so you are able to find the shape of L letter, okay, the shape of L letter. So when from your side, when you open your hand, so you are able to find L letter shape. So that is your left, and opposite direction, other side is called as right. Okay. So now in the picture you find the boy is having, okay. So what is he having? So the boy is having balloon and flower. Now the flower is in, the boy is saying the flower from boy side, okay. So from your side you have to count, okay. The flower is in my dash hand. So flower is in his which hand, children? In his left hand. Okay. So left hand. The flower is in his left hand. Next, the balloon is in my dash hand. So this is left. So opposite to this, other side is called as right. Okay. So now the boy is having a flower in his left hand and the balloon in his right hand. Okay. Now you know, children, what is left and what is right from your side. Okay. So when you open your fingers, so L letter, okay, the shape of L letter, that is your left. Other side is called as right. Okay. Next we move on to other directions, learning other directions. Okay. So now, so one person is introducing about himself. Okay. So he is going to give us some of the directions with the help of some of the objects or by, okay, by doing some of the activities. So here, what is his name, children? I am Mandi. Okay. So now, front, behind, other two directions. So already we have learned, children, left, right. So next we have front, behind. Okay. Now look at the picture in your textbook, children, here. So he is Mandi. Okay. So Mandi. So he is having two objects. Okay. So now the sentence here. The television is in front of me. So now the boy is sitting here. So what is in front of him? TV, television. Okay. Television is in front of Mandi. Okay. That is the name of the boy. Okay. So the television is in front of me. In front means just in front of me. Okay. Before me. Okay. And what is behind him? So that is called front. Okay. So front. So now the television is in front of me and the window is behind me. So behind me means, behind him means back. Okay. So back. So that is called behind. Okay. So what is behind him? The window. Okay. The window is behind me. Now, for me, I will say, so for Mandi, in front of him, television, behind him, a window. Now for me, in front of me, camera is there, and behind me, what is there? Blackboard. Behind me, what is there? Blackboard. So now you understand, children? Front, behind. So front, just opposite to front is behind. Yes, children? Next, we move on to forward, backward. Okay? Okay. Forward, backward. Now, here, so look at Mandi. Bending forward. Okay? Bending forward. That is called. Okay? I am bending forward. So, bending. So, here you find children, bending. Okay? So, bending. So, the direction is forward. Okay? So, how is he bending? He is bending forward. Okay? Next, bending backward. Okay? Bending backward. Bending forward, bending backward. So here you find, so towards his back he is bending, that is backward. Okay? Towards front he is bending, that is forward. So forward, backward. Okay? Next, up, down. Up, down. Okay? Up, down. So here again you find the two pictures. Okay? So what is he doing? I am climbing up the stairs. So I am climbing up the stairs. Up. Okay? So climbing up the stairs. Next, I am climbing down the stairs. So coming down. So here you find children arrow mark. So here first one climbing up. So going upward. Okay. So going upward. So up. Okay. So climbing up the steps or stairs. Okay. Next one, climbing down. Okay. Climbing down. Okay. Coming down the stairs or coming down the steps. Okay. So these are the important directions. Okay. So you are small kids. So you need to know exactly what is your left, what is your right, what is forward, what is backward. Okay. And next, what else we have got? So what is up and what is down? Okay. Up, down. Okay. So these are some of the directions. So next we have, okay. So now to locate a place. Okay. To locate a place. So or to locate a particular area. So in detail you will be learning about, okay, all these with the help of map. Okay. So we also learn the directions or locating of a place with the help of a map. Okay. So now what is map? Okay. So locating a specific area. Okay. Locating a specific place. Okay. Drawing of, so with the help of drawing, we are able to locate. Okay. So map is drawing of a specific area or specific place. Okay. That is called as a map. Okay. So you will be seeing all these, okay, maps, etc. Okay, children. Now, so a map is a drawing of a specific area. So it tells us where different places are located. Okay, where different places are located. It also helps us to find our way. So it also helps us to find our way. Now, so with the help of your parents, you will be moving from one place to other place. But afterwards, so with the help of this map, okay, so this map will guide you to reach a particular place if you want to go. Okay, so this is okay. So next we have, so I'll show you what is a map. So these are the maps. Okay. So you find here drawing of a specific area. So this is a world map. Okay. World map where you find, okay, different continents and different oceans. So all these colored ones, okay. So all these colored ones, so different countries in their continents, and the blue color you find here. Blue color you find here, all these are oceans, okay, oceans and the seas, okay. And here you find white color, this is Greenland, and here Antarctica. So why they are in white color? Because they are covered with snow always. So that's what. So now, so we are not going in detail. So now you know, children, what is map? So this is world map. Okay. Can you locate in the world map where is our country? Where is your country in the world map, children? So our country is here. Okay. So I told you. Okay. So this is a drawing. So where we are able to find or locate a particular country or particular place. Drawing of a map. Okay. To locate a particular area or particular place. Okay. Next we have now. So India looks very small in the world map. So in particular you see, so this is our country. Okay. This is our country. So in our country, so there are, okay, so many states are there. Okay. So many states are there. Among all these states, can you find out your own state, children? Can you find out? So what is the name of our state? Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh is here. Okay. Andhra Pradesh is here. Okay. So that's what. So a map also will help us to locate a particular place. Okay. Why? Because it is a drawing of a specific area. Okay. Drawing of a specific area. Okay. So where we are able to locate different places. So it also helps us to find our way. Okay. So suppose from Andhra Pradesh, I want to go to Telangana. Okay. So with the help of directions, so I will be going. Okay. So next we have, of course, so map, up to map we have in the lesson. So next slide you look at, children. So this you are not having in the textbook, but they are also very, very important. There are 4 main directions. There are 4 main directions. So what are they? So you can find in the picture, children. Let me zoom it. Okay, there are 4 main directions. Now, they are north, okay, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. So how do we know these 4 directions? How do we find out? How do we locate? Okay. So in which direction north and in which direction south, in which direction east, west, etc. Yes, children. So here you find. So look here. The rising sun. The boy is facing towards the rising sun. Okay. Towards the sun. Not only rising sun, towards the sun. So when you face towards the sun, okay, that is your east. Okay, that is east. This opposite direction of this east is west. Okay, why? Because the sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Okay, so now east, just opposite to east is the west. So now you are standing like this. Okay, so this is sun. So now to your left, to your left. So now for the boy, okay, boy is facing towards the sun. So for him, this is the left hand. Towards his left is north direction. Okay, towards his left is the north direction, and towards right, okay, that is the south direction. Okay, so now east, west, north, south. So in a simple way to say, children, so now, so upward, north direction, just opposite is the south direction. Okay, and this is east and this is west. Suppose if you are standing facing towards the sun, so this is your north and this is your south. Okay, just opposite to east is the west. Okay, so these are the four main directions. Of course, they are not given in the book, but so you need to know these four main directions along with these left, right, front, behind, backward, forward, up, down, etc. Okay. So now as homework, so read the lesson. Okay. Read lesson 3. Okay. Read lesson 3. Now some of the parents were asking to share the screenshot. Okay. Classwork screenshot. Classwork screenshot. So I'm going to share the screenshot of classwork. Okay, lesson 2, not this one. Festival. Festival lesson classwork I am going to share. Parents, pay attention. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Lesson 2 festival classwork. First question and answer. Just you roll it. Next, second question and answer. Third question and answer. Fourth question and answer. Fifth question and answer. Here, pay attention, children. In fifth question and answer, second point, it is celebrated for 3 days in the month of January. So these 3 days are called, okay, Bogi Pongal. So this is Thai Pongal, okay. So pay attention, Thai Pongal. And this is Mattu Pongal, okay, Mattu Pongal. Next we have filling the blanks. Only there are 2 filling the blanks. Yes? Ready? Okay. Now, children, pay attention. As homework, I have written as lesson 3. But in the textbook, okay? In the textbook, your lesson is 6. This is homework. Your lesson is number 6 pages. Pages 130, 131. So this is your homework. So also learn all the directions. Okay, all this. Okay, children. Good afternoon. Have a good day, children. Thank you.